Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S70, and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. Now to get started, you'll want to hold the power key, and when you see the boot options, hold power off. This will then change it to reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK. And there we go. Now the device is rebooting into safe mode. And as you can see, we are now in the safe mode. Now as you can also see, there is a permanent watermark right here in the bottom left corner, safe mode, just so you're aware that you are in the mode. Because in this mode, only the essential apps are working, and things, for instance, like even widgets are disabled and will not start. Additionally, applications that you have installed yourself from either Play Store or some other means will be disabled and will not start. So all the ones that come with the device should work just fine, but anything above that will basically not be able to run at all. So you can now test, troubleshoot your device in this mode and test whatever is wrong with it. Now once you're done with this mode, then you want to go back to the normal one, hold the power key and simply select restart this time around. And once the device boots back up, it will go back to the normal mode. And as you can see, we are now back in normal mode. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.